What's going on? So I have been actually finally getting back into my workout routine. I'm super excited about it. I just really want to really hit my fitness goals this summer. I've had goals for a while and I've always like thought of them in the back of my head, but I never really pushed myself to hit those goals and reach them and just make more new goals. So that's what I've been doing. I just got back from the gym and then I went on a long walk with my boyfriend just down the path near my house. It's like a bike path along the water, and we went for about like 2 miles. So I had a really long workout. I'm super tired now. Now I'm going to have my little post-workout snack, and I wanted to show you guys what I do. It's a quick, short, easy omelet that's really good post-workout. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I just want to show you an option that you guys can try for when you're done working out. It's super filling and it's super healthy for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos related to my workouts. Let me know in the comments below, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Let's get to cooking. First, you're gonna take 2 shallots and just chop them up finely. Then take some extra virgin olive oil, throw it in a pan, and throw those shallots in on high heat until they are crispy and seared. Once the shallots are ready to go, take them off the pan and put them on a plate to the side. Next, take whatever type of cheese you like. I used Vermont cheddar, and I just cut about 3 small slices to add into the omelet. Then you're just going to take some healthy green leafy spinach and throw it into a colander to wash. I usually use hot water and then some cold water, and then I throw it right into the pan on high heat. Spinach usually tends to cook fairly quick, so just make sure to keep an eye on it, and once it starts to look like this, you're going to take it off the pan and put it to the side. Because this is a post-workout omelet, I'm only using 2 eggs, but they are super filling, so don't you guys worry. So I'm just going to throw some butter into a pan, let it melt, and then as it's doing that, you're going to throw those eggs into a bowl, whip them up, and then throw them straight into the pan. The majority of this omelet is going to be cooked on high heat, which is why I love it so much, because it's super fast and easy to make. So now we're just going to throw in the toppings. I do cheese first, so I make sure that it melts all the way through, then the shallots, and then the spinach. Once all the toppings are in, I am going to throw a top onto the pan. This is a really quick way to speed up the process of the omelet, and it just basically speeds up the cooking time. I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit, and it's really just going to cook the omelet fully through. After a couple minutes with the top on, you're going to pull it off, and now you're going to start folding that omelet. I kind of like to do a 3-way fold, so that's kind of a half fold, and then we're going to do 1 more fold, and that's kind of makes it a little omelet burrito, which I kind of like. Just to make sure that my eggs are cooked fully through, I leave the omelet on low heat just for a little longer, maybe 1 to 2 minutes longer, and let it just kind of cook out, and then it is ready to eat. It looks fire. Am I right, or am I right? And that is it, guys. That was literally such a fast cooking tutorial, which is why I love this so much. It is so perfect for a post-workout snack. Okay, I'm ready. Wow, I am stuffed. That was so tasty. So literally it was only 2 egg omelet with shallots, a little bit of cheddar cheese, and spinach. And that is like my go-to post-workout quick snack. It's super healthy, it gives you protein, it has those vegetables in it, and it's just really tasty. I am really full now, so
That's great. But yeah, if you guys want to try this post-workout omelet recipe, make sure to let me know if you do. It's just super fast. I just really love how quick it is to make and just how good it tastes, and that I know that I'm eating something actually healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed this post-workout omelet recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you guys try it, and I will catch you guys in my next video.